couple of years ago, Anya wrote in her blog about her experience with domestic violence. So at that point, it was a story that I thought needed to be heard.
I said yes because the stories of survivors are so rarely heard. What we hear in the news feeds and what we see on television and newspapers is the dramatic events that lead most of the time to us losing women to this. I'm in a place of strength of where I am, that I felt, well, it has to be spoken about, and there has to be like positive stories out there of what can be achieved, I suppose, in the aftermath, because I think